up, the future's calling. Maths and mind colliding. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya, Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba pezul. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya, Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba pezul.
Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of the Daily Dose of Mathematics. In our lesson today, we're doing 2.5, which is the June 2026 Limpopo question paper. We're also going to be putting our solution on the senior marker so that it can critique us. Sia, what is our question?
Calculate the sum of the first 21 terms.
So here we're supposed to calculate the sum of the first 21 terms in this arithmetic pattern. Now, the challenge here for learners might be choosing the right formula. As you can see here, guys, we chose the correct formula, which is for an arithmetic. Now, how do we know that it's an arithmetic? There's a constant difference here. Now, how do we approach this question? First thing first, we're going to start with the first step. First step, we're going to identify our data. Let's start with by doing that here. So step one, we're going to identify our data. Now, what is our data? We need A, as the formula says, we need A. If you check our formula, it says we have n, which is going to be equal to n all over 2, open bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So it means that we need a. Now, a is the first term of a pattern. Now, looking at the pattern that we have here, what is the first term?
10.
Okay, our first term is 10, so we're going to say a is 10. Now, the next thing that we need is our common difference, d. Now, we already done that, but just in case we get a question whereby they're asking us a sum, and then we haven't done any of the question before. So we're going to say, how did you move from 10 to 12? What is it that we did here?
Added 2.
We added 2. So we're going to tell them that d is equaling to 2. Now, they said we should calculate the sum of the first 21 terms, meaning our n is going to be equaling to 21. So that's the first step. We identify our data. Next step, we're going to then substitute on the information on the formula that we have here. It says S. Now, instead of n, guys, we're going to put 21. Then we say equals to. Then again, there's an n. We're going to put 21 all over 2. Then we say multiply by open bracket. We have 2, open bracket. Then instead of a, we're going to put 10. Then we say plus, open bracket, 21 minus 1, close bracket, multiplied by 2. Then we close our bracket. That's the second step. In fact, the first step, guys, is to identify which formula you're going to use. Is it arithmetic or is it a geometric? Second step, collect your data. Third step is to substitute, okay? Now that we have substituted in the formula, we're going to take this information and put it in our calculator. We're going to put it in the right way, guys. We're going to show you the correct way such that your calculator doesn't give you math error or syntax error. So we're going to go to our calculator. On our calculator, we're going to press fraction. Now, from the fraction, we're going to put 21. And then we say divide by 2 on the fraction. Then we say multiply. Then we say open bracket. Then we say 2. Then we say open bracket to put the 10. Then we put 10. We close our bracket. Open, close the bracket. Don't forget, guys, to open and close the bracket. Our senior marker advised that maybe we should first try to use BODMAS rule so that we don't make mistakes. But if you are confident, the nicest thing about your calculator is going to tell you if you made a mistake. It's going to say syntax error. Then we say plus, open bracket again. We say 21 minus 1. Then we close the bracket. Then we say multiply by 2. Then we close our bracket. Now, if we've done this correctly, guys, and then we press equals to, it's going to give us a solution. It's going to say S21. What did you get as your answer, Celia?
630.
So it says our S21 is equal to 600 and what then? and
Date.
date. Now, this question here, guys, is worth 2 marks. Then we're going to get 1 mark for correctly substituting, and then we're also going to get 1 mark for the final answer. Now, the next thing that we're going to do here, guys, is to take this sticker and put it in our senior marker, such that we can see that we wrote it exactly as they request in the marking center. While we're doing that, we're going to play a song which is emphasizing sum to arithmetic pattern. Let's go and play the songs here.
On the pattern, lines in a row. Watch how the sequence starts to grow. Look for the sigma, a symbol of might. Or calculate some in the middle of the line. An arithmetic journey, step by step. No secrets here that we haven't kept. When the call comes to find the whole view, that's when the sum becomes the Q. Get your formula, keep it inside. It's on the information, shining so bright. It's the sum of the sequence, the total of all. Use the sheet.
Okay, let's listen to our senior marker, guys. How did we do it on our question?
CAPS marking audit. Total marks awarded, 3/3. 1. Marking breakdown. Step. Working shown. Mark allocation. Justification. Formula selection and substitution. S_21 equals frac 21, 2 times 2, 10 plus 21 to 1 times 2. Checkmark A. Checkmark M. Correctly selecting the arithmetic series sum formula and substituting the identified parameters. O equals 10, D equals 2, N equals 21. Final answer. S_21 equals 630, checkmark CA. Consistent accuracy mark awarded for the correct evaluation of the expression. 2. Corrective feedback. Your calculation is perfectly executed. The substitution is accurate, and the arithmetic leading to the final sum of 630 is flawless. There are no logical flaws to address here, and you correctly processed the order of operations inside the parentheses. 3. CAPS and formal notation compliance. Terminology. You correctly utilized the S_n notation to indicate the sum of the series, distinguishing it from the T_n notation used for individual terms. Notation. While mathematically acceptable, writing the explicit multiplication sign, times, just before a parenthesis is considered informal at the PhET level. Standard convention prefers adjacent brackets, such as frac 21, 2, 2, 10, plus 21 to 1, 2. Additionally, you jump straight to substitution without stating the general formula first. 4. Coach's summary. What you did well. Listing your variables, O equals 10, D equals 2, N equals 21, in a column on the left side of the page is an excellent, fail-safe exam habit. It physically separates your data from your calculation, reducing cognitive load and minimizing transcription errors. Area for improvement. Always write down the general formula. S_n equals frac n 2, 2a plus n1, d. Before substituting your values. If you make a substitution error under exam pressure, writing the correct formula first often secures an initial method mark that you would otherwise lose.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us your thoughts. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Find us on TikTok and Facebook. The daily dose of mathematics is the handle. Hit our WhatsApp for the daily prompts. Get more info on 0664 064-682-9994. 064-682-9994. Hamba kahle. Until the next session, see you on the socials. Daily Dose.